What's good, and welcome to the 2018 rewind of How to Magic. Watch the card.
Hello. Float through midair. See them link together. Watch. Oh, magic!
I am your host, EvanEra, and today we are taking a look back on the year 2018 and all the magic that we did together.
What? You just got... Ow, I was a bit.
And who could forget all the hilarious pranks we pulled this year? Mostly on Veronica.
I cannot touch that. It says goodbye. You're insane. Please put that away. Is this a trick for real?
Yeah, I mean, it's a Ouija where we're just gonna play with it and see what happens. One, actually change. You all right?
Ow!
What did you? 2018 took us literally all around the world, and I couldn't be more grateful. Alright guys, I'm down here in the Grand Canyon. I just got off the plane in Dubai. Today we're here in Santa Monica, California. Sydney, Australia, I am here. It's on the streets of New York City. We're in Turks and Caicos. We're here in Jordan getting ready. We're on the Great Wall of China. Today we're here in Los Angeles. Today we are here in Cairo, Egypt. We are here in US Virgin Islands. I'm here in Las Vegas, Nevada. Actually, we're here in the desert in Arizona, outside of Las Vegas. I'm super excited to see what's in store for 2019.
So let's take a look back at all the wonderful places we traveled.
I just got magnified.
Thank you to every single one of you for being a part of that. And it was absolutely awesome meeting all of you at our fan meetups in California, New York, and Australia. In closing, thank you for an unforgettable year, and we are looking forward to many, many more. Until next time, remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh
at life.
Love you guys.
Happy New Year!